How to use the format method of a string. Format method is an inbuilt method of strings in which if you want to format your string and you have specific like blank spaces in the string and you want to enter those you want to fill up those blank spaces with user specific input or something like that, then you can use format method in which you can customize your string and you can format it according to what you want it to look like to specific users or for specific functions, etc. So for that we first go to our idle, and here suppose we have this simple string over here, my age, which says my age. So I would like to I am 7 years old. Now I can have the string I am 7 years old, but suppose I want a user specific age, user specific value in that age blank. So that means I am dash years old, and whatever the user enters, that will be the value. So in that case, I could just leave that blank over there. I am dash years old, and in place of 7, here I'll write curly braces and I'll write age. Now this is the first way of formatting a string, and I can take the input age from the user and enter your age, and then I will print. I change the name in that bracket because it will be confusing otherwise. So I'll write IP underscore age. So st1 dot format. So we the syntax for format function is whatever the string is that you want to be that wants to be formatted in that variable dot format, and then in the brackets what you want the values to be in that in the what values you want to be formatted into the string. So I want my age to be whatever the user has entered. So suppose I enter the age 8. So now it says I am 8 years old. Now the next method is using index in the string. So you can write I am, then you can write 0 index. This is the first place where you want format, and next place is I write 1. So I basically want the sentence to be I am so and so years old and I am a girl or boy. So I will take age and gender now for the user, and I will format the string. And now when we write the parameters for formatting, we don't have to specify the keyword of the parameters like in the previous one where we had to give IP underscore age is equal to age. Here we directly write age comma gender in the order that we have it in the string. So age, so whatever the parameter is first, it will go to the 0th index. Gender, whatever the second parameter, it will go to the first index. Third parameter, it will go to the second index, and so on and so forth. So your parameters are ordered according to the index in the string. So if I just print that string as it is, it writes I am 0 years old, I am a 1. Now if I entered my age as 7 and I enter gender boy, so it says I am 7 years old, I am a boy. Now for next example, I can just write text is equal to hello, and I can write an empty bracket over there. So here there's no index, no keyword, nothing. So here I can write enter your name, and whatever name they enter, so we'll greet them with their name. So I'll print text or format and write the value variable for the name. And now I can run the code, and now I've written enter your name, and now when it writes enter your name, I've written Larissa, and the program basically greets me by saying hello Larissa. That's how we format strings in Python using the inbuilt function, using the inbuilt method of strings, that is the format method.